Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself once again. Myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science, SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper second and BA part first. And when we talk about BA part first and paper second, we have covered Shukra, ancient Indian political thinker, and some topics of Swami Dayanand Saraswati and some ideas of Gopal Krishna Gokhale as well. And in this video we are going to talk or study about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution. And we will talk about the Pune Pact, the most important, it is a landmark in the Indian freedom movement. This can be called as a milestone in the history of Indian freedom movement. And let's see what was the Pune Pact, and how the ideology of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Gandhiji was there concerning about this pact. So let's start. Gandhiji opposed the communal award. Communal award that was propounded in 1932 by Ramsay MacDonald, and particularly the British scheme to separate the Dalits from the Hindu community through grant of separate electorates. So first, before we talk about the Pune Pact, before we understand about the Pune Pact, we will have to understand what was the communal award propounded by Dr. Ramsay MacDonald in 1932. Actually, the communal award was the scheme, or it can be said, it was like a conspiracy to divide the Hindus themselves. There has been a unity among the Hindus, and the communal award divided this unity. It was like the Hindu unity should be destroyed, and there should be a separation of Dalits from the Hindu community. So the communal award was a scheme of the Britishers to separate the Dalits from the Hindu community, and by doing this, they wanted to destruction of the Hindu unity, and which was at that time at the peak for the struggle of Indian freedom movement. And this was done by the separate electorate system for the Dalits, and Gandhiji opposed this communal award as he didn't want the Dalits to be separated from Hindu community. The unity of the Hindu community was the sole aim of Gandhiji. And against this communal award, Gandhiji resorted to fast unto death and commenced his fast. Dr. Ambedkar, in terms of his ideology, was bent upon to uphold the status of the untouchables as a separate community having political power. Here we can clearly see that Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had different ideologies, and where Gandhiji strongly supported the Hindu unity, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was not against like a typical type of Hindu unity, but he wanted, as we can see, that all the works or deeds done by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, with the sole aim of improvement of the status of Dalits. These are which are called by Gandhiji as Harijan. That's why Dr. B.R. Ambedkar supported the communal award, because having communal award, that means Dalits will have the separate and unique identity unique status and unique standard, as well as the other upper caste of the Hindus, and they will have political power, and having political power, they can improve their standard of life, and can get an achievement in every field of life through this. So here we can clearly say where Gandhiji opposed the communal award, Dr. Ambedkar supported it as a as a tool to improve the bad condition of at that time of Dalits, to improve this condition. But under the pressure of public opinion and the extension of the number of seats from 71 to 148 as reserved for the depressed classes but within joint electorates, yielded to Gandhiji's demand. The British government accepted this new arrangement agreed upon between the Hindus and the depressed classes. Here we can see that ideological difference was there between Gandhiji and Ambedkar, and while talking about communal award, and Gandhiji resorted to fast unto death, and the conclusion was in favor of Gandhiji. A British government accepted the demand to that Dalits should not be separated, can't be separated from the Hindu community, but there must be a provision of electorates, uh, um, joint electorates, means having separate electorates for the Dalits but within the Hindu community. This was accepted by the British government, so we cannot say that it was in favor of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, because he was not ready to accept joint electorate. He wanted the Dalits to be a separate community, and the British government didn't accept his demand. He accepted the idea of Mahatma Gandhi, that okay, we are ready that Dalits will not be separated from the Hindu community. They will remain as a part and parcel of Hindu community, but they will have a joint electorates. General elections of 1935 and 1945 were conducted on that basis, and thus he succeeded in getting more representation in the future setup and political status for the distinct community of the Harijans, or the scheduled castes as named under the Government of India Act 1935. So this was the Pune Pact. The Pune Pact means an agreement between Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Although Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was not satisfied with the plan of Gandhiji to having um, joint electorate, but this was just only mm, the last resort to accept, and this was done by Pune Pact, and this was all that was all communal award, and this was Pune Pact, and we can say the benefit of Pune Pact was Dalits got to their identity, their status, their political power, and they had uh, some type of structure, some type of better structure, which is going to make the future of themselves and their children and their generations for the future. That's all for today. Thank you very much.